Everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to look at the Android architecture stack. Any Android device or any Android emulator works on this entire architecture stack that is presented on the screen. It has four main components, the first one being applications, the second one being application framework, Android runtime, and Linux kernel. The application component is nothing but where all the applications are pre-installed inside the system, or any application that you installed from Play Store would be presented inside the application structure or the application layer of the Android architecture stack. So examples include contacts, camera, WhatsApp, Play Store, Google Play Store. It is also a application, and clock, calendar, etc. All of these applications would be the first topmost layer that is called as the application layer of the Android architecture stack. The second layer is the application framework. Now, application framework contains managers, or you can call them as framework libraries that help you build these particular applications. Okay, so for example, let's take an example of a WhatsApp application. A WhatsApp application may have a functionality to provide notifications. This functionality is managed by a notification manager. WhatsApp may have functionality to grab data from a device's storage system. This is done using the content providers. WhatsApp may have different types of activities present inside it. Activities such as camera activity, or let's say microphone activity, video activity, photo activity, etc. All of these activities are managed by Activity Manager, and so on and so forth. All of the different functionalities that are present inside an application, they all are managed by one of the application framework. Okay, be it Activity Manager, Notifications Manager, Content Providers, etc. Just beneath the application framework, we have something called as Android Runtime. Android Runtime basically has two components. Okay, one is the Dalvik VM and the second one is the Zygote. Now, Dalvik VM stands for the Dalvik Virtual Machine. It is similar to the Java Virtual Machine that we can find while developing Java files or while developing Java programs. Dalvik Virtual Machine converts the source code that is written in high-level language, user-readable language, into the byte code that is understandable by the machine. Okay, so that's where the Dalvik VM becomes the heart of the entire Android architecture stack. Without Dalvik VM, your applications cannot run. So Dalvik VM is going to help you out to convert your high-level code, Java code or Kotlin code, into byte code that is readable by machines. Now, to support Dalvik VM, we have something called as core libraries, or you can call them as platform libraries as well. These core libraries or platform libraries perform some or the other tasks. So for example, let's say OpenGL. OpenGL allows you to add 2D or 3D shapes inside your application. SSL allows you to connect to the internet. You have something called as SQLite. SQLite allows you or helps you to connect with the database. You have graphics that allows you to add media graphics such as photos, videos, etc. You have something called as free type. Free type allows you to add different types of fonts. Now, all of these things are provided inside the Android system. All of these libraries are pre-installed by the Android system, and they can be used in order to create different types of applications. Now, applications also needs the usage of hardware devices such as camera or such as Wi-Fi, such as Bluetooth, etc. These all management of Android applications using these hardware devices is performed by the Linux kernel. Linux kernel provides you the access to all of these drivers, be it the Wi-Fi driver, be it the display driver, the USB driver, audio driver, Bluetooth driver, etc. It also provides you the security as well. Okay, security of the operating system as well. So underneath, the Linux kernel helps you to connect your Android applications with these hardware-based drivers. Okay. Moving forward, our applications, as we discussed, includes all third-party applications. Application framework provides various classes for creation of Android applications. For example, Activity Manager. Android Runtime is the most important layer or the heart of the entire Android architecture stack, which is similar to JVM, that is for rest of Java Virtual Machine. Dalvik VM is similar to the Java Virtual Machine, which enables applications to run and provide various platform libraries. And then you have Linux kernel that helps you to connect with the hardware using various types of drivers. It also provides you memory management, trust management, security, etc. So this was all about Android architecture stack. I hope you understood about this. Thank you.